Agile began in the software industry in the early 90s. At the time, projects were developed in a sequential fashion, known as a Waterfall Approach. These projects had a high instance of failure and, although there were many reasons for this, a major factor was that projects were just too large, making communication too long and cumbersome and leading to disengaged business stakeholders. Typically, progress was measured in terms of percentage complete rather than the business value delivered, which led to further disengagement. In these projects, requirements were fixed in detail at the beginning, and teams developed solutions to meet these requirements. This made identifying and managing change difficult. One of the first Agile approaches was Rapid Application Development, or RAD, and it attempted to answer many of the problems created by the Waterfall approach. In RAD, developers work with users to iteratively and incrementally build software applications. Development is based on discussion, demonstrations, and feedback rather than formalized specifications. Although RAD developed more flexible solutions, it too had a number of problems, such as a focus on development speed over quality and a lack of input from business needs in the solution. Over time, RAD grew into various approaches, including DSDM, Scrum, and Extreme Programming, to name a few. In 2001, members of the different Agile communities got together and developed the Agile Manifesto. It aims to put individuals and interaction first over processes and tools and prioritize working software over documentation. It also encourages developers to focus on customer collaboration over contract negotiation and respond to change rather than follow a plan.